So, very good morning to all the dignitaries on the dais and members and all the vendors present today here, and our respected DFO and our SDO Ukhrul and our district project director Madam Lily Rose and our project officer Roland and also President Musa, all the SSGs, FPOs and all the members from the same village and adjoining village. So good morning to one and all. First of all, I would like to mention that this building was constructed long time back, if I would say 1.5 years back, but due to pandemic and other reasons, we couldn't make it functional and couldn't open for the our vendors, those who can come here and start their business. So today it's a kind of a very important occasion for each and everyone. It's just not important occasions for the people from the same village and adjoining villages, also for the vendors, but also it's a matter of pleasure, happiness and satisfaction for us also as a part of district administration. Because at the end our prime objective is to ensure welfare of the public and the development of district only. We know that importance of SSGs, how important it is in present scenario. As we know that self-help groups are kind of informal association or group of people from the similar socio-economic background. They generally come forward together to find the ways how to improve their living condition and livelihood. It's about of like-minded people only, those who come forward and they work together to find out the ways and with the same perspective, attitude and with the same objective how to enhance their economy, not as a individual but for the society also, because at the end it comes about the societal change. We know that importance of these SHGs, how important they are for the financial inclusion, how important. They also ensure social integrity because generally they represent those people, those who are kind of unrepresented and underrepresented. They are like a voice of all the people, those kind of untouched from the development, from the marginalized section also. It also about the gender equality. They also ensure women empowerment through their activities, which is completely related to the economic development. They are also important because when it comes to bank literacy, somehow they are not just related to our UDCRMS or forest department under Bandhan scheme or tribal development fund, but when they goes for the loan, they also keep in touch with the bank people. Can we imagine few years back only when people, they were quite reluctant and hesitant to visit the bank branches because of this cumbersome process whenever they goes to apply for any kind of a loan or assistance. So due to lengthy paperwork and procedures, people were really very reluctant. But when it comes to we talk about the entry and important of our UDCRMS, the then NARCOM and all the schemes under our forest department, now people are slowly coming to know about all the procedures. Now it just not about the like a particular individual, those who are getting the benefits under different schemes. Once they come to know about all the things, they are also making aware to their like people, those who are kind of neighborhood or in their society, their district. So it's a very important for the upliftment of the marginalized people and the people those who are really needy. We know that in not only in our Ukhrul district but also in our state, the concept of like a Ima market, Eva market, or of course our today like inaugurated this launching of weekly Thursday market, how important it is for the those people, those who are like foundation of economy. If I'm not wrong, then I would say economy of like in most of the villages and districts are run by the our like respected women folks and all the entrepreneurs. How important now they have become in our society. So I have a great respect and I'll always pay respect to our those hard-working women, those who are like ensuring the like development of not only their family, their relatives, their society, but also ensuring in one way district and of course state also. So we all should like very thankful to them for their like hard work and all the positive approach, and always we should stand together to like encourage them and to help them in any means whatever is possible. Now many schemes are there apart from these like under PM Swanidhi, all the street vendors, if they want to avail loan facilities, they can also avail under this PM Swanidhi, and our Pradhan Mantri Employment Generation Program today with us on dais, our GMDIC is here. Of course, he's a kind of a lone warrior only. He's like one-man army in his department, but he's working very well. He's doing great job, and whenever we like seek his presence, he always be available. It's not like just for the district administration, but also for the people, because we have been receiving feedback about his department performance. So they are performing very well, and they are also ready to help all the people in the same manner from the our UDCRMs, the then NARCOM, under all the schemes, all the eligible people, they are getting benefit. So in one way, they are ensuring development of not only the like welfare of people, those who are involved through different SSCs or FPOs, but of course, in the other way, they are ensuring development of particular place. Since today we have launched this weekly Thursday market, so of course, like initially there would be hesitation from the like buyer side. Footfall may be less, but after some time, once it will reach up to the space, people will start to coming here. So sometime we should have some kind of patience and to wait for the right time. People will come, and from district administration side also, we'll have a meeting with the council, autonomous district council, and will ensure all the like vendors, they should come and sit inside this market only. No one should go outside and just make a small, like a shop, like adjacent to road, which is not good. So just to ensure like a equal opportunity for all the people, those who are coming to sit here and sell their all the like vegetables and whatever materials are available. So for their like welfare and to provide them equal opportunity, will ensure everyone should come and sit here. We can do one more thing, since our like District Project Director and Madam Lily Rose and our DFO Sahab Sri Sangam, all are here. So in a month, at least one weekly market, we can organize small program, kind of entertainment program, just to attract the people from the district, so that all can come here and this market draw the attention of people from our town also. Today, as we came to know about while inspecting all these stalls, we came to know that all the vegetables and products which they brought today, it was locally produced, locally grown. And there is no chemical fertilizer was utilized to grow this like vegetables and fruits. So it's also like good for the health of each and everyone. Sometimes while inspection, we have found some like vegetable sellers, they usually says they bring they are produced from the Imphal. But if it is locally available, locally being grown, then we should promote our products which is locally grown. Because now our Honorable Prime Minister as well as our Honorable Chief Minister Sir is also insisting to vocal for local only. So that kind of attitude and approach we should have. Only then we can ensure development of all the villages and our district as well. One thing which is very important, of course, after some time here footfall will be increased and it may be overcrowded. So we should not forget that COVID is still there. So we should keep all the precautions that can be like those people who have already taken vaccines. So more or less they are very safe. But those who are yet to be taken, they may go and get the vaccination, because our district hospital is just like a few steps away from our market. And for the medical benefit, when it comes to for all the vendors, those who are selling here vegetable and other produce, under Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, this scheme is for those whose name were there in the checklist. So they are eligible for PMJY card. Under this PMJAY card, all the eligible beneficiaries, they are eligible to get the medical benefit in a year of amount 5 lakhs. But those who are not in the checklist, for them CM HT card was started from the our Honorable Chief Minister Sir. So till the April, the medical coverage was of an amount of 2 lakhs only. But now our Honorable Chief Minister is kind enough for all the people of our Manipur, all the districts of Manipur. So under CMST also, medical coverage now it has been increased up to 5 lakh. So now it is equal about to PMJY. So all the eligible beneficiaries, they can reach and they can visit to our district hospital and they can apply for these 2 cards, so that their medical treatment whenever it requires can also be ensured free of cost. So why I am mentioning about these 2 schemes, because we know that our country in fact in our constitution itself, it has been declared as a welfare state, where we always focus for the welfare, well-being and safety of all the citizens, and whenever they require any kind of help, we are always ready to help them. We are always stand with our people only. As an individual, for me also, whenever I have been posted, in fact in Manipur itself, it's my 6th district. So whenever I have been posted at any place, all the peoples, they are like my family members only. So I always available in my office and whenever I am there to help all the needy peoples, if they come to us with a genuine request only then. So with this word, I would again congratulate all the SSGs Federation and DPD, UDCRMs, or all the officials or DFO staff and GMDIC and all the street vendors, those who have come forward. In fact, they have taken a right decision at the right time with the right approach. So it's really appreciable from my side, and I always extend my best wishes for their future and business which should flourish day by day. And since from our this President Wusa and our UDCRMS, on behalf of village people, they have presented colorful muffler. So I would also pray to God to fill more color in their life, in the life of people of all the villages. So with this word, again, I would wish their best health and future career ahead, and we should all work together for the welfare of public and development of district with the same attitude, approach, and the harmony which is prevailing in our district and the beauty of our district. Of course, it's about the tourism also. Recently, we had organized successfully our Siroi Lili festival. How successful it was, it is like a kind of open secret for each and everyone. Everyone knows. The footfall was there during more than 3 lakhs people that visited to our Ukhrul district. And those people, they were not just from the Manipur, in fact they are from the other state of our country. So now slowly our district is coming on national page also. It's a really matter of pride for each and everyone. Recently from our Tangkhul community, only 2 girls, I think their name is Solmila and Solan Jajo, they have secured 2nd and 4th position in the 54th bodybuilding and physics this one game which was held in the Maldives. So it's really a matter of pride for each and everyone. So in the same way, about our youths also, they have a great opportunity. They can also come forward and with the same zeal and with the same positive approach, if they will work in the right direction, they will surely uplift the people from our district, and also they will bring the name of our district on national page, which is very important for each and everyone. And as a head of district administration, for me as a deputy commissioner, I also work for the same, so that whenever we goes, if someone asks about the Ukhrul district, we can proudly say, yes, we belong to Ukhrul district. Thank you. Thank you very much.